Today I choose to focus on the parts of the world that are full of love. And I make this choice with the full knowledge that there are parts of the world that are not, that there are parts of our experience that are not. But in spite of those things, I make a conscious decision to be intentional with where I place my energy. And I choose to focus on the parts of the world that are full of love. I choose to focus on beauty. I choose to focus on caring and togetherness. I choose to focus on giving and innocence. I choose to focus on community and forgiveness. I choose to focus on nature and everything that it keeps giving. I choose to focus on the parts of the world that are full of love. And I invite you to make that choice.